Tempo Instruments manufactures flexible surface heaters with experience in design engineering in flexible electric heaters and controllers since 1951 to bring customer the very best product. Heating tapes are ready to use. Wrap-around flexible heating elements used for heating cylindrical vessels, pipes etc. These heavy insulated tapes can be used on both conductive and non-conductive surfaces. These tapes are recommended for use on non-conductive surfaces such as glass or ceramic. Not recommended for conductive surfaces such as metal etc. (180°C high temperature capability for continuous use. Extruded silicone rubber outer cover. Moisture-resistant construction. Can be used on conductive surfaces such as metal tubings etc. Heating cords are flexible heating elements used for heating fractionation columns, glassware in the laboratory. Designed for use on small tubes, vessels, or any application where space is limited.